Hello everyone, my name is Channa and I have 15 years of experience as a Python developer. Over the years, I have conducted thousands of interviews for various Python roles. Surprisingly, I have observed that around 95% of candidates struggle to solve even simple technical programs. This makes me wonder, why aren't we better prepared for basic fundamental concepts before attending the interviews? It's a missed opportunity when the interviewer may only ask basic questions to gauge your understanding. These questions could make or break your chances of landing that dream job. That's why I am launching a series of technical interview questions and answers. In each video, I will break down essential concepts to help you confidently tackle interviews. Just drop a comment if you would like me to cover specific interview questions or need more explanations. Just like and subscribe to stay updated on this series and become a Python pro. Let's start with basic interview questions. The first question interviews may ask is, write two sample lists. Then people starts with writing it as list 1 is equals to 1 2 3, and then list 2 is equals to, let's say, maybe 3 5 6, something like this. Is this the right way? Maybe, but by saying this naming convention, interviewer may feel that the candidate is not a pro in Python. We should follow some Python standards. Variable name can have numerics, but it's better to avoid it. So for that reason, I would suggest to go with something like this, list 1 and list 2. Or let's say go with first list as data and then second list as input. Okay, I mean to say just use any proper variable names. And we may ask, can a list contain nested lists as an item in the list? The answer is yes. A list can have any number of lists inside it. This list can have 1 2, and this list can have any number of variables, and then again this list can have any number of lists inside it. And these lists can store any data type, integer, float, string, list or dictionary or set, anything. This is a dictionary. It can store the dictionary as well. It can store dictionary as well. This dictionary can have one more dictionary, and this list can have any number of nested lists or nested dictionary. The thing is that list can store any data values. Sometimes we may ask like just to comment this line, so you need to be prepared to comment it quickly. If you start thinking to comment, then it's obvious that we feel okay, you are not that much pro. So come on, next thing is like when we asked just to write a sample dictionary. Again, again here just naming, that naming convention matters a lot. And again, dictionary also can have any value, any data type as a value. It can have a nested dictionary. Okay, the only reason is key should not be a dictionary or a list. That is the only thing we need to know before writing the dictionary. And third thing we may ask is, store about two created lists in a new list. These two, what we will do? So let's say instead of creating a new list, I will be just having the value of input variable into the data variable. For that, I just need to use this extend syntax. if I use this extend syntax, then the meaning of this one is this data variable has 1, 2, 3, and this variable will extends the value of this one to input as well. So the value will be 1, 2, 3 comma, and whatever the value present in that second variable, this one. So now let's try to print the variable. Right, you got it right. This is the value. So we need to understand before writing the syntax or logic. The next question we would ask is print first and last item in the list. So now the data variable contains this value. So for printing or like for generating first or last items or like any position item in the list, we need to use slicing concept. Please add a comment if you want to know more about slicing. So slicing is nothing but accessing the data items in the array. So just to access the first item, as you all know, list starts from 0th index. Data of 0 means first item. Data of -1 means last item. No need to count like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can just count it as print of data of 6 as well. It will also generate the same output. But if you do in this way, then yeah, interviewer will definitely knows that you are not a pro, you are very beginner. Okay, we'll get the value, but it's not the way we need to write, because this is the pro level writing. Okay, -1 means it will starts from last. And final question we may ask regarding this list and dictionary is just reverse the above list. So above list is this one. We just need to reverse the list. So few people starts writing for loop for reversing the list. No, it's not the way. We need to understand there are a lot of techniques to do that. I will just explain one thing. So here for reversing the list, we just need to go with -1. So here first one is start position, next one is how many positions we need to skip, and third one is the stop item. So here this means starting at 0, ending at the last item, and then print from last item. If you print this one, then you will get see 7, 6 something, this reverse order. This is the way we need to write. By writing in this way, interviewer may feel like, okay, you will be a good candidate for the role. These are the basic questions which we start asking in the interview. If you are unable to answer this, then we don't feel good to proceed further. I hope you understand. Don't miss out on your next big opportunity. Prepare with me. Thank you for watching the video.